Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a quick and easy coconut chutney to serve with things like idlis, dosas, vadas and appams, among other things. So let's get started, shall we? For making this coconut chutney you need 2 cups of grated coconut. You can use fresh or frozen coconut, but if you're using frozen, ensure to thaw it to room temperature before using it to make chutney. Else it will not blend to form a smooth chutney and instead the chutney might look a little lumpy. 1 to 2 green chilies based on your preference. 3/4 to 1 teaspoon tamarind paste to balance the spice based on how many chilies you're using. 1.5 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and you can use a little less of a more potent ginger. 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. And 1 cup of water, though you can add a little more if you prefer a more liquidy chutney. Just adjust salt accordingly. Then for the tadka you need 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing powder, 10 curry leaves and 1 dried red chilli, which is optional. I like a spicier chutney so I always add it. However, based on your preference, if you're adding red chilli, you might need to go lower on green chilies or adjust tamarind accordingly. Once you have all the ingredients ready, start with making the chutney base by grinding together the grated coconut, green chilies, ginger and tamarind along with water and salt. When you have blended it into a smooth paste, transfer the chutney into a bowl or a serving container. Then in a tadka pan, lightly heat up coconut oil and add in the mustard seeds. When they start popping, add in the curry leaves, hing powder, and if you're adding red chilies, then that too. Lightly roast for 30 to 60 seconds till everything is well roasted and then turn off the flame. Finally, add this tadka to the chutney and mix it in. And there you have it, a quick and easy South Indian style coconut chutney. Serve it with idlis, dosas, vadas or appams and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!